So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal you versus them energy check-in. This is a timeless reading. Whenever you're going to watch this video, it's valid for you. This is just current energies for you from your side, from the energy attached to you, and where the connection is going right now at this present moment. So, whenever you're going to watch this video, whenever even if it is after 6 months, this is going to be valid for you because I am keeping it timeless. Okay. Yeah, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start a self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer, on your side, let's see what we have on your side right now at this present moment. Cancer, let's see. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. Okay. See, there is a situation that's totally going south. You're feeling left out in the cold. You're feeling blocked in the situation. You're feeling stressed out beyond words in a particular direction. And you're not able to understand what the actual hell is going on. This is stressing the hell out of you. This is weighing you down. This whole situation is weighing you down. Somebody did something really wrong with you. Somebody betrayed you, or somebody just left you out in the cold, and might be you blocked them or they blocked you. Something happened here that's kind of making you feel like what the hell is going on. Things are quite up in the air right now as well. I think either you didn't get the clarity, or you didn't get the proper closure in the situation, or you're trying to figure out the clear cut answer or understanding of a situation, like what the hell is going on. But in the background, still you're hoping for the best in a particular situation. Especially if you guys were married or committed to each other at some point of time, you're still hopeful and positive that someday this connection or this situation is going to turn around and everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be beautiful again. Even if the situation is going totally in the opposite direction of what you want it to be, you are still hopeful and positive that someday things might turn back around and everything is going to be fine. It's like you're in the toxic positivity kind of zone right now. I'm sorry to say that, Cancer, but there is something about the situation that's not right at all. But still you're hoping for the best out of the situation. It's again the toxic positivity kind of a deal. You're feeling blocked, you're feeling left out in the situation, you're feeling left out in the cold. You are feeling like this situation is weighing you down beyond words, but still you are quite optimistic and positive. If you're quite optimistic and positive for a new person, new energy, that's really cool. But if it is for this particular person or energy, then I think it's time for you to accept the truth. Let's see for the connection, for like from the energy attached to you, what they're up to, Cancer. We have the Queen of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Lovers, Magician. This person is dealing with somebody else. This person is dealing with somebody else also. I think this person is a player kind of energy. They don't know what they want. I don't think this person is in love with somebody, or they are totally in love with somebody else and they are just kind of madly in love with someone. It's not like that. I think this person is having player kind of tendencies. Whenever things goes bad with you, they run towards somebody else. Whenever things goes bad with somebody else, they come back running to you. Okay. See, this person is still very much attracted to you, especially if you guys had a very good sexual life, especially if you guys were very much intimate with each other. This person still thinks about you from time to time. But this person thinks if they are going to, connect with you again, it is going to be a huge drama. It's going to be a lot of fight. It's going to be a lot of chaos. And this person have player like tendencies, or they keep their options open. Even if they are with you, they keep their options open. Even if they are with somebody else, they keep their options open. This is a highly asshole person. I think this person and you should never be together, because this person is just playing around with people, with their emotions, and they don't even know what they are doing with people. It's not our job to like show anybody karma is a bitch or something. Now it's the, if you're a cross watcher, if you're not like that, just don't take this. It could be Cancer behaving like that, it could be anybody, one of you. It's the roles can be reversed also, but it's like a situation where this person is kind of manifesting this energy of coming out of whatever they are feeling for you, because this person catch caught feelings for you. unknowingly, and now they're suffering, but still they are open to other people, other energies, or dealing with other energies as well. So deadly, dangerous situation. Emotionally immature person, this is what I should say. This person is highly emotionally immature. They really don't understand the true meaning of love or emotions. They are just doing it for fun, they are just doing it for the sake of doing it, and they themselves are very much conflicted and very much in chaos. Let's see for the connection what we have. For the connection, I think you guys are going to talk. I think you guys are going to talk it out. You guys will try to balance it out. But even if you guys will balance, even if you guys are going to talk or communicate with each other, this whole situation is going to be like a lot more confusing than what it is right now. Again, it is going to turn into a one-sided kind of a deal. You will be giving and giving and giving, and this person is again draining you and leaving you drained again, and then running away from you. It's like it's terrible. Cancer, I don't want to hurt you guys. I know you guys get hurt when I do these types of readings, but trust me, all I want to tell you guys is the truth, the ugly, naked truth, so that you guys can remain in your senses, because Cancer is a highly, highly sensitive sign. I don't want you to get caught in something bullshit. Okay? So I do see this connection getting more confused with each passing day. There will be lot of miscommunication, there will be lot of misunderstandings, there will be lack of equal give and take of energy, and you will not stop giving to this connection. Even if it is energetically, you will not stop giving to this connection. There will be a lot of hidden truths, there will be a lot of this hidden emotions, but I don't see this connection going in a positive direction at all. Sorry to say that. Call me a bitch or whatever you want, but this is what I have for you. Sorry. Bye.